Good morning from Bali. It's another lovely day outside, and today I'm going to move to a different accommodation. I've been staying at Mohammed's home in Sanur, and now I'm going to move to Kuta, which is more on the west side of Denpasar. So, I do have a motorbike, but because I've got a really heavy suitcase and a backpack, I'm going to call for a Grab taxi car to take me to my new place, and then I'll grab back to pick up the motorbike. I'd like to just go there directly on the motorbike, but I just cannot take this enormous suitcase on that. Sad to leave it. I already called my ride. I think it's going to be out here somewhere. I think I have to walk out to the main street because I'm not sure he's going to come on this. Let me see if he's around this corner. I think that's him. Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Nice.
Today seems to be a really hot day outside. So I just got dropped off. I'm not entirely sure where the place is because it's an Airbnb, not a hotel. And sometimes they're hard to find. I think it's around here some. Yes. Oh, Rajapala, this way? Oh, thank you. Okay, I think this is it. Rajapala? I cannot tell you guys how hard it is to have to carry this heavy bag. Luckily, it's got wheels. I think two of the wheels are a little bit rusty, which is making it harder to move the bag. It doesn't go as smooth as it did when I first bought the suitcase, but I think it's still okay. I'm gonna try to look at the picture on the Airbnb site, see if it matches. I don't think I'm that way. I think maybe I'm over here. Oh, is this? Yeah, there's like a little corridor you walk down. Oh, and then I go up the stairs. Oh, I think this is it. I think. But I cannot swear to it. I guess I'm gonna have to haul the big bag up these stairs. I'm gonna tell you guys, this is never fun. It is never fun at all. But at least I'm gonna be here for 7 days, so I won't have to mess with it again. Well, I'll have to haul it back down. It's a good exercise, at least. Oh. Ugh. So I think one of these is my room. I'm not sure. Let me check. All right, so I got my keys out of the box. Let me see if it unlocks. Smells good. Let's see. It's a little bit dark. Ooh, the bathroom doesn't look half bad. It's pretty big. Looks like this is the shower. They give you a lot of space. Oh man, this is the kind of shower I really want. Looks like they provide you with 2 towels. And then the room. Ooh, the bed is not bad. It's not bad at all. Give you a rug on the floor. Looks like you've got a little work desk there. A little chill area. And if we go out in the back, let me see if it's unlocked. Let me see. Oh! This is how we go out. It looks like, yeah, you get a nice garden view. I'm not sure if the place here has a swimming pool or not. I'll have to double check. Oh, you can come out here, like, if you want fresh air, you can have a little something to eat. Oh, look, the light switch for the room is over here, so if you look, yeah, see? They hide the light switch behind a mirror. I'm really surprised that they would put a mirror right in front of it, but whatever. Maybe they just don't have much space. Wow, you got a refrigerator, coffee machine. So far, the place looks okay. I hope the Wi-Fi is ideal. If it's got good Wi-Fi on top of everything else, I mean, I'd be fine to live in this place. So, I already toured the room. I took a shower and got changed. You know, I had to move out of my other place. I was feeling sweaty, so I changed clothes. That's why you see me in a different shirt. I'm gonna go back to the other place and get the motorcycle. Just look at the downstairs area a little bit. Feels like such a relief to not have the bags anymore. Oh, guess they have like garden patios. This is pretty nice. I think that's my room up there.